What's happening? It's another day where it's been raining, getting sunny, raining, getting sunny, but I've got a really cool video planned for today. I got it suggested to me. I'm struggling to speak, I can't really speak very well. I don't know if you could tell or not, my English is like I can say words, but see lacing them together to form like a understandable sentence that people can like register and be like, aye, that's what he means. Like, I'm bad, like I don't know why I struggle so much to speak. I'll use simple words, just completely simple words. Bam, straight away for the subject as per usual. Lewis, that was in a couple videos ago, I'll leave his thingy down below, his YouTube channel and his Instagram and things down below. He suggested that I make a video which you've already fuck, I'm trying to get like, I don't know what, right. I don't know why I do this, but I try to keep things a secret. Like I try, even though it's right now in this video where it's gonna happen, it's probably in the title, I'm like, you guys will never know what's gonna happen, eh? I'm making a bike check, he wants to see it, I've got some really cool ideas, I've got my list of stuff, ideas to do. I don't know, but I'm pretty much waiting for the weather to clear up, hopefully. I'm going to check the weather, I'm going to get some food, I'm going to chill out and see what's happening, but aye, I'm really excited to make this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Currently taking shelter under a random thing, I don't even know what this is, just a wee overhang to this flat. As soon as I left the house it started raining, but it should pass. I hope. There's blue skies over there, it's just going to be a passing shower like it's been the past couple of days, so we'll see what happens. We're out here on the bike though, I'm having fun, can't wait. Five minutes later, I've ate an apple. The weather's coming down now though, so we're going to head off to under Tesco, get a session in the little card that's there, and wait for it to dry up so we can go back up to the park. Or up to the park, not back up, I've not been up yet, but up to the park, you know, whatever. Right, let's go.
It's like how you ship people, it's like get make yourself
I've got a list on my parts, so and I'm not in the shot.
There you go.
I'm going to sit on the floor for this one. My name's Connor Smith, I'm not a professional biker or anything, but someone wanted to see my bike setup, so I'm doing that for you guys. I'm showing off what I'm running. It's a bunch of shit. I've got a list of stuff. Yes. So we're going to start off at the bars. We're running BSD Zing bars, which have a 9.25 inch rise, I think. Pretty solid bars, I like them. On the Eclat Pulsar grips with some random bar ends. I don't know, that one's Eclat, but that one's like something, I don't really care. Further down the bike, we've got the BSD stacked stem. I've had this stem since I bought my bike. It's a stem, it does the job. Further on down we have the forks. They're the BSD acid forks. They have a 30mm offset. I would like shorter forks for nose manuals. I want to do more nose manuals, but I mean, forks are forks. So Connor just sent me a text. Let's read this. Tell them how your parts feeling right. The entire bike feels amazing. All the parts feel good, apart from the free coaster, but we'll get to that. I'm going back to my fucking... Okay, so we're heading to the front wheel now. I've got the complete BSD Mind front wheel, which is the Mind front wheel female pro hub or something, I don't know. It's the BSD female front hub, laced to the NASA rim, and I've got 2.4 inch Donna Streets on both sides, back and front. They're pretty solid tyres, but they've been wearing through pretty quick. I'm not really sure on them. Tyres are tyres, they work, they're grippy, they're squeaky. It's about all you can ask for. I'm going to go back to my list because I forgot. Ah, the cranks. We've got Substance cranks, BSD Substance cranks at 22mm. Connor's laughing behind the camera because he thinks this is funny. I think it's quite funny as well. I'm sitting on the skate park floor talking about my bike. We've got the BSD Substance cranks, 22mm spindle, 2.5 piece cranks. It's got one bolt that goes in the other side and it just brings it all together. It's a pretty solid set of cranks. I love them. Do you want to do that again? On the cranks, these, we have the BSD Sticker Bomb sprocket. I think it's the second edition one. Like there was the one that had certain amount of stickers than this one, or that might be the first one. I don't know. It's a sprocket. It works. I'm going to upgrade to the Federal. Bash Guard sprocket, I think, in chrome. But apart from that, I mean, it's a solid sprocket. I just want to be able to hit it more, you know what I mean? On the beefy cranks, we've got gang registered pedals. That's what we're going to call them, gang registered. Gang registered. This guy, man. Merit P1 pedals, they're grippy, they're solid, they're pedals, I like them. We've got this man joining us now. What are we on next? To the seat post. This is special. It's really not special. No, this is just my normal seat post. That one's like on Leon's bike now, I think.
You got it out?
Yeah. This is the BSD Blitz seat post, the smaller one, not the XL, not the big fuck off. Boom, it's just the midget one. I like it. It's a seat post. On the seat post we have the BSD Safari Midnight seat. It's like a blue and black seat. It goes well with a black build. It looks quality, I love it. What else do we have? The Shadow Interlock V2 chain. My man's just stealing my fucking paper. We have the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. I think that's what it's called. It's a very solid chain. I'm loving it so far. There's been no problems with it. Every other chain I've had's just had problems. Thanks for my list, mate. Solid chain, highly recommend it. It's not the lifetime guaranteed one, but I'm definitely going to get the lifetime guaranteed one when I need to upgrade. We're going to wait for this wind to pass so I can actually talk. For the back wheel, we've got the Federal V43 coaster laced to a G-Sport birdcage rim.
When you want to read it.
I'm sorry, what?
When you don't record, you're just sitting there trying to read what.
Nah, I can, like, I've wrote them down but like, I'm not trying to read off the paper like some sort of guy, some dude guy. I've got a back wheel, I've got a front wheel. No, the back wheel, I just got that quite recently, but for some reason it's quite a strange free coaster. Like when I'm pushing my bike, the pedals go with it. It's kind of broken, I think, but for the most part it works. This guy's talking shit behind me. I'm trying to talk. Okay, so we've talked about the back wheel, Federal V43 coaster. It works. It's kind of weird sometimes, but I've got it working alright. That's good. What are we on now? We've talked about the tyres.
You haven't even asked what frame is yet.
The frame's last. That's the banger. This is like an edit, mate. These are all little tricks in that. This is the fucking bangers. One! Whoa! I run my tyres at 50 psi. People like to know that stuff. I like to know that stuff. If I can't what other people rode, I'd be into that. But nobody really talks about the PSI, but it's around 50. I've got a fucking dinosaur behind this. For the pegs, I run the BSD Roodtube XL pegs. Not the LT versions because I was late on that party. Oh, we've got a scare guy. I would be running 4 pegs, but I snapped the bolts, so I'm going to have to buy new bolts and I'll be back on 4 pegs. Boom. For the hub guards. Never mind, that's Connor's face.
Have you seen that vlog? I don't know.
Yeah. Have I seen that vlog?
Like, kinda.
It's my vlog.
No, but it's so good though. You just see me.
For hub guards, we've got the back one is a G-Sport something. If you type in G-Sport rear hub guard, it'll come up. and that's what you want. That stuff's cool. I like it. For the front ones, we have the Merit tension hub guards, which I actually broke the spring on, so they're currently tied on with hair ties, and they keep snapping and making like.
Bands.
They're actually hair bands. Like genuinely, like for man buns and that. But aye, they're laced on with like elastic bands and stuff. They work. What have we got now?
See, Connor, see
We're on to the banger.
Backflip.
You do me a drum roll. Banger. I've just got this frame. It's the BSD2 loose frame, but I'm going to have to read all the specs off to you because I wrote them down and I want to. It's the BSD2 loose frame, Anthony Lilly? I don't actually know his name, but I didn't even know he was a BSD rider. But this is quite an old frame. It feels perfect though. For the chainstay, we've got 13.2 inches slammed, which is pretty mad. It's not mad, it's like average, I guess. And it extends all the way to 13.75. I've currently got mine slammed, so it's like the shortest I can possibly get it. For the head tube, we've got a 75-degree angle. It's quite responsive. It's not too bad. I quite like it. The seat tube.
Can you not?
It's all good, man. It's all good. For the seat tube, we've got a 70-degree angle. I don't know what that means. It feels alright. That's all I care about. And the standover is 8.6 inches. I think that's from the centre of the cranks to the centre of the top tube. So like that and that.
Stay there.
And that's like what you're wanting. But overall, I'm really enjoying my bike. My bike has felt more solid now than it ever has. Like, I think I've finally got this thing dialed, and I'm super happy to have this bike. My only complaint with the bike is that it's now been stolen by a midget with a funny haircut. Never mind, it's came back. Hello. What's happening then? There we go. I also put grip tape on my cranks because I seen someone do that and I thought I'd do it, but it's not really made a difference. Yeah. Alright, we got the other piece. We got the Tesco trolley. This has got some bad boy red wheels, 4 of the motherfuckers. Alright, so we have my other bike. It's the Chopper 5000. It's got a stand, like you always want. Some big ass metal pedals, perfect for shinners.
Bar spins like mad.
Bar spins go about halfway, but that's okay. You can just pop them the other way and then bring them round. It's complicated, but it works. We've got the super extendo seat post with the saddleback seat.
Just see the back wheel.
We've got the beefy fucking 3 metre wide back tyre for that extra. See, that's what then for the front one, we got that steering ability. How many tooth sprocket is that? Like, how many teeth are on that?
Oh, like 102.
There's like 102 tooth sprocket. That's what you're wanting. It's pretty much a machine.
You can go at any speed at any time.
Any speed at any time.
Look at the chain. You could probably fit like 3 BMX chains on it.
You could probably fit 3 BMX chains. We've got like a 25 tooth sprocket in the back wheel. Loving it. Oh, but that's it for the bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to make that fucking detailed as shit. What did you think of the bike check? Yes. Alright. So my camera died and I came home, got some food, and now I'm heading back out on the big bike to go on a walk. And I'm excited. So let me know what you guys thought of the bike check. I thought it was quite funny. It was quite cool. I didn't want to do anything like normal. Aye. It was fun to record as well. Me, Connor's just an absolute legend. I love him. But yeah, let's head off. I'm gonna try and not die. Oh, here we go. So I'm headed home now. I am absolutely shattered. Today's been a long day. It's not been a bad day at all. It's been an amazing day, but I've just done so much. I went back and forward to the house. I've been out on my bike. I've just been out on a really long walk. My legs are shattered and now I'm cycling home. I love being busy though. I wouldn't exchange it for anything else. Like if someone's like, oh, would you rather stay in and play Fortnite? I'd be like, nah. But woo, bumpy. But no, I'm really enjoying the fact that I'm actually out doing things now. It's making me feel really happy. Like, aye. Thank you guys for the continued support. It's been absolutely amazing. Like, I'm sorry if it's windy. Like, the amount of people that are just like, keep going man, keep doing you. I'm enjoying the videos and I'm just like, that feels amazing, Ken. Thank you so much, all of you, for just keeping me motivated, keeping me up. Like, I'm motivating myself, obviously. I'm going out and doing it by myself, but hearing people say like, I really enjoyed it, man, that was a good video. Like, oh, it was just amazing. Some little kid, I don't know your name, I'm sorry man, I don't know who you are, but he came past me and went, are you Connor Smith? And I was like, ah, he was like, oh, what's your videos? I was like, oh shit. Like, that's the coolest thing to me, honestly. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ha ha ha.